This is the good fight. This is the good fight. Hey, this is the good fight. This is the good fight. The good fight.
Yes, welcome back at a new episode of My Ozzie Story. After a long drive, we have arrived in Townsville, where we meet up with two German girls, Paula and Tony. Nico met them a few months ago in the hostel, and together we are going to visit Magnetic Island. But first, enjoy this amazing view from the hill in Townsville. The plan was to catch the ferry in the early morning next day, so we needed a place to stay overnight, and we decided to drive a little bit out of the town to a free campsite. Free campsites in Australia are so good though. The next day, while we drove back to Townsville to catch the ferry, we saw a crash car on the side of the road. It was pretty shocking, but I bet it happened a while ago, as the car looked pretty abandoned to me. So, no dramas. Pretty bad sun though today, but anyway, we are in Townsville and we're going to Magnetic Island. We had a wonderful camp last night on military area, so a lot of Apache helicopters flew over and it was amazing to see. By the way, the drive we did this morning was actually really good, don't you think? Although there were a little bit of clouds, but it doesn't matter. The sun is getting through now and we catch the ferry in just 5 minutes and we're going to Magnetic Island. To be honest, I lost the audio files of this shot. Anyway, the hike was great and now I say something like, look at this amazing view. And here I say something like, it's an amazing place and you should definitely visit Magnetic Island on your East Coast trip. Look at this.
Shine a little tonight.
as you see, we are not only discovering Magnetic Island by foot, but also by car. It's pretty interesting to drive around. On the northern part of the island, you will find these beautiful bush drives, which leads you to amazing beaches. The last days of our visit on Magnetic Island, we stayed with X-Base Backpackers, which is down at the beach and also has some fitness equipment. So finally time for a workout. And after the workout, it's time for, yes indeed, a little pint. Alright, we spent the last 2 days at Magnetic Island. We are now on the ferry back to the mainland of Australia. It was absolutely lovely. I really enjoyed it. The island is so beautiful. It has a lot of beautiful nature, a lot of beautiful beaches, and you can do some nice hikes as well. If you're ever in this area, please go to Magnetic Island because it's definitely worth it. Spend at least 2 days over there and make sure you stay with X-Base because it's down at the beach and a lot of young backpackers are over there, which means a lot of great fun and good parties. Now we're going back and we continue to drive to Mission Beach.